All right, before we start talking about the Unit 7 progress test for Superkids, I want you to remember, when do we use commas? We use commas right before a line of dialogue in a story when a character speaks. So it would look something like this. I'm going to put a comma right there. He said stop. But that's not all. We're also going to talk about punctuation, or another punctuation mark, the quotation mark. Remember, quotation marks tell us when a character is speaking in a normal story. And it would look something like that. The other place we use commas are in the names of a place, like a city and a state. Like that. Or when we're talking about a date. The comma in a date comes before the year. Let's take a look at the Unit 7 progress test. A paper copy of this can be found in your Superkids folder, the same folder with the backpack pages. It can also be done online on the Superkids Online Fun app. It's going to say, if you're using the paper version, it will say Unit 7 progress test on it. Let's look at the box with the star. The coach said, "Let's play ball." Well, here's a line of dialogue in this underlined part. And remember that a line of dialogue should have quotation marks on it. So what we're doing here is we're going to read each sentence in each of the questions. And the underlined part could have a mistake in it, or it could not have a mistake in it. For the box with the star in it, the underlined part has a mistake. There should be quotation marks where it says, "Let's play ball." So I'm going to choose this option, bubble in this one that says, "Let's play ball" in quotation marks. For the rest of them, you're going to read the whole sentence, and in the underlined part, you're going to bubble in whether it should have this correction, the second correction, or if there's no mistake. Then you're going to read this story about monster trucks. After you read the story, go ahead and answer the questions about monster trucks. There's 5 questions, and you can go back to the story if you need help remembering what happened. When you're finished, if you did the paper copy, have your parents send an email with pictures of the test. Good luck!